Well, hello everyone. Joel Fiesel here. Just wanted to talk for a minute about accidental death policy. What is an accidental death policy? Where's a good place to use it? So, accidental death, a lot of times you can get a whole lot of coverage for very little cost. And so sometimes, hey, if you want to just add, a policy just in case you die in an accident, they're pretty reasonable. I've also had some clients before that wanted coverage to maybe cover their home if they were to die, and they weren't the best of health. But an accidental policy, there are some companies that have just a few questions that qualify for accidental, as long as you can answer questions no. And some companies have guaranteed issue accidental policy, which means there's no underwriting. And so, like if you're in bad health, those are really a great option. If you die in an accident, gives your family some money to pay off a home or just some cash. Now, of course, downside of an accidental death benefit policy is that if you don't die in an accident, well, guess what? It really doesn't pay anything out. There might be some of them that will pay like $1,000 death benefit for no matter how you pass, but that's the downside. But they're priced very reasonable for what you get. And so, one of the things that I usually recommend is if you're going to do an accidental policy, there are some companies that will offer accidental death policy with a return of premium. And basically means is like if you don't die in, you know, 20, 30 years, some of them even 15, that you get all your money back. And so, which, hey, it's kind of like a win-win. You pay very, very little and all that. The return of premium ones are a little bit more. Some cases, they're not too much of a difference. But hey, it's kind of a win-win. If you don't die, you get your money back. So a little savings plan. If you do pass, well, then it pays out, of an accident. It does pay out a nice benefit to your family. So those are some reasons kind of to think about an accidental policy. If you want to just increase it just in case. I mean, gosh, if you do a lot of traveling, if you're a driver, truck driver, you travel on the interstates and traffic a lot, excuse me. Basically, those might be some reasons. So if you have a lot of accident prone people in your family, that might be another thought. But again, anything can happen at any time, and death waits for no one. So we don't know when it's going to happen. We hope that it doesn't happen. Obviously, all of us are going to die one day, just like what they say, death and taxes, but we hope it's as long as possible. So with that being said, if you have any questions and you'd like to talk to me or one of our agents, go to sffagents.com. That's SFF, like Sam, Frank, agents, plural.com. And you can request to talk to an agent. You can give us a call. Well, we will look forward to helping you. With that being said, take care. Bye-bye.